Hey everybody, welcome back to Full Band. This is video number 2. Hope you're in the right place, 6th graders. Alright, we're going to start with your homework for this week. This is 77 technique tracks. There are tutorials in your Schoology under the assignment by each teacher. And so those go more in depth to help you with this exercise. I'm just going to play through it a couple times like I would in Full Band, just to give you another opportunity to play it. This might be the first time you see it, but let's just go ahead and sight read it. We'll do it one time slow and one time normal speed. Here we go, guys. Not too loud. Here we go. Alright, nice. I'm having a little sticky valve. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Let's do it now in normal speed. Here is technique tracks again. Ready, guys? I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Sorry for the volume. Alright, nice job, guys. Okay, I'm going to move on to 77 Galway Piper. Okay, I just want to show you guys a fun little flute video on YouTube, and this is done by Acapella app or by Smule app. If you guys ever want to play around with this with a friend, you can send each other videos, or you can play different parts of a song and then record yourself. Super fun. I think we might do a challenge of this later. But here is our little video. This is the Galway Piper on a flute. Okay, we'll finish it out. Awesome. Hopefully you guys could see that. I hope so. All right, now we're gonna play it. Goes a little something like this. Here we go. So we're in 2/4 time. You're in concert E flat. For trumpet, we are in the key of F. For trombones, E flat. For saxophones, you're in the key of C. You have no flats, no sharps. Flutes, you have B flat, E flat, and A flat. Be careful with that. 1, 2, 3, pinky, A flat. Yes. Okay, so this is, we can just sing it real quick and finger. I'll sing it on top. Ready? It's in that note, 1 and a 2 and a ready, go. Da 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 dia da 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 dia da 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 dia da dia dun 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 dia da 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 dia da 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 dia dum bum bum. Okay, that's the melody. Let's go ahead and try it on slow with no melody. Here we go, guys, and we're off. Check your posture. it a little quicker for fun. And here we go. I'm playing pretty quiet tonight because it's evening in my house, so don't want to wake up the neighbors. Yeah, one of my notes didn't speak. That happens to the best of us. But good job, guys. All right, 79. I want to just show you guys this song for fun. Okay, and I want to show you this little PowerPoint real quick. So we have time signatures. Just a quick review. What is a time signature? Anybody remember? We say, how many beats in a measure, right? Back from 3rd grade, I used to teach my 3rd graders that. How many beats in a measure, okay? So that's a time signature, it tells us that. So we have various kinds. We have 4/4, which is the same as common time. I knew you knew that, right? And then here we have 3/4. How many beats in a measure, VL? That's right, there are 3. Joaquin, you knew that too, right? Yes. All right, and then 2/4. How many beats in a measure? 2. Okay, but look, we have cut time. When we cut common time in half, it is 2/2. Remember that, guys? Okay, now how do we conduct them? I thought I would review this today just for fun. So 4/4 is down, in, out, up, down, in, out, up. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4. I know Mr. Felipe Ochoa knows this quite well from the Christmas concert, which I'm glad we got our first student conductor in our first concert this year, right? Then 3/4, we can go down, out, up, down, out, up. That is 3/4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 2/4, or it can also be cut time, is 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up, down, up, 1, 2. Okay, very simple. So that is our little mini lesson on time signatures. Now I would like to try this Manhattan Beach just for fun. Our key signature is a little rough. This is concert F. This is the key of G for trumpets. Here we go. We have F sharp trumpets, 2. For flutes, we have E natural, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, and for saxophones, we are in the key of E. Wow, so we have lots of sharps. Fat cats go down. All right, no, I'm sorry, we're not there. We're in the key of D, so we have F sharp and C sharp, my fault. And then for trombones, we are also in the key of F. We have just B flat, and E natural is 2nd, A natural is 2nd. Okay, let's give this a try. Do no melody, and we'll start slow. Here we go. Start reading this for fun. Here we go, guys. This has a pickup. 1 B pickup. 2, 1. Yeah, I messed up a little note in there. Let's try that one more time at this tempo. Here we go. There it goes. Yeah, awesome, guys. All right, let's try it in normal speed. It's gonna be pretty fast. Here we go. Hold on to your britches, friends. Ready? That's a fun little American march there for you guys on your Friday morning. I like these accents at the end, very cool. And this rhythm is a little tricky, hope you guys got that. Feel free to review this video if you want to. Okay, our last homework that is coming up soon after this week, well, in 2 weeks, this is the sight reading challenge. Okay, I love a good challenge. I miss you guys and being silly. Okay, this song, the notes are easy. We're in concert B flat, C for trumpets, B flat for flutes, G for saxos, super easy, right? The hard thing are, I would say, are the articulations and your rhythms. So we have da, diggy, diggy, da, dia. That's all slurred. Da, 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 staccato there, and da, dia, da, dia. Short, 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 long, tenuto there, staccato here. Then we have tiki, 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 da, tick 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 ticky ticky ta ta tia ta tia da 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 da. So I love this song because it's so different. You know, like sometimes it's staccato and really short and this, and then other times it's long and slurred and okay. So you have very different themes here, and you have forte, mezzo piano, forte, ABA, right? This is ABA form, the structure of music, the form, structure of music. We have ABA, okay? The A section, the B section, and then the A section. Again, friends, here we go. Let's give this a try. Slow. And I don't want to hear the melody because I'm going to play the melody. Here we go. Ready, guys? Oh, nice and slow. I feel like we need some words to that or something. Like the last two measures. Ta cuarentena, ta cuarentena. Something like that would be kind of silly. Okay, I'm getting goofy now. Now let's do it again, but on normal speed. Here we go. Ready, guys? Hold on. It's gonna be quicker. All right, guys, awesome job. Stay tuned. Check below. Maybe I'll have another video. See if I get that together. And please check my announcements above. Make sure you watched all my updates, my weekly announcement video, silly video for you. And we'll be in touch. Please write me if you guys want a Google Hangout, if you want a private lesson, if you want an extra help session. We are here to help you, okay? It doesn't have to be in the extra help time. We can do it anytime. We're at home, available, so don't you worry, guys. I miss you guys. Let us know how we can help you. We want you to keep playing, so play a little bit every day. Develop a good habit to play your instrument a little bit every day. Don't wait till Fridays to do all your assignments. It's going to stress you out and you're going to lose your muscles and your reading capability. Okay, guys? So stick with it. Keep working. Love you guys. Miss you guys. Stay safe. Stay sane. Okay. Talk to you later. Have a great weekend.